What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy Premiere Pro tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to create proxies inside of Premiere Pro, and also why do we use proxies inside of Premiere Pro. So, proxies are smaller file sourced media of your original media. So maybe you have a movie or something. We do this a lot when we're working. We have a huge batch of footage. We have like red footage, drone footage, all kinds of footage. The computers we're working with may not be super great all the time, and we need to, play back smoothly over a huge timeline. When Premiere Pro is working with a smaller timeline, not a lot of footage, it seems to function great. But once you start getting into like thousands of clips, a bunch of scenes, hours of footage, I'm talking like 20 hours, Premiere seems to chug a little bit. Doesn't matter how great your machine is. So what we do sometimes is create proxies, which is the smaller media files of the original media to play back in Premiere for easy editing, because we don't always need the full res media. So what you do is you find your media bin inside of Premiere Pro, your clips, you just highlight everything, right click and do proxy, create proxies. From here, you can choose the frame size. For me, we can do full, we can do presets, ProRes QuickTime Proxy, H.264. I think ProRes is totally fine. You can watermark it if you want. You can choose your own file if you're working with client footage. And then I do next to original media and a proxy folder, or you can choose your own location. I suggest doing your own location for specific projects. Inside of a media folder, there should be a proxy folder. But for this tutorial, we'll just use it right here. Click OK. It's now creating the proxy job inside of Media Encoder. And as you can see, all of our clips are starting to populate inside of Media Encoder. Now, on a large project, this is going to be a lot. It's going to be tons of clips. I mean, we did a feature film not that long ago, and you can imagine how many different clips there were to create proxies. But as you can see, once the proxies are queued in, it automatically starts and it renders them all. And I'll speed this up. Cool. So we have our proxy media inside of Premiere Pro. Now we want to be able to turn the proxies on and turn the original media on back and forth. So we can actually, play it, see what the original media looks like and see what the proxies look like compared to it. So in your program window right here, let's hit the plus icon and we'll go to toggle proxies. Let's drag this onto the thing. Mine's already there. Click OK. Now we can toggle proxies. So this should be the original media, and this should be the proxies. As you can see, it flips back and forth right here. Let's mute that. As you can see, it kind of flips back and forth to the original media to the proxies. So I did 4K exports, so you can't really tell a huge difference. But there you go. That's how you do it. And you can go back and forth. So when Premiere decides to slow down, turn on your proxies. And when it's rolling smooth, turn on full res media. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. If you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, scan that QR code on the screen. Helps me out a ton.